LinkedIn is sponsoring us. This is a testimonial to the content production and social media marketing of MHB Consultancy that international platforms have been promoting and supporting us. If you would like to do digital marketing that gets global recognition, then visit our page and check the campaign running over there and watch this tutorial to learn LinkedIn ads. Thank you.
In order to set up a new ad account, come to this tab at linkedin.com/campaignsmanager/accounts. Click where your current account is, and at the bottom you will see account. Click the account button and you will come to the page where you actually create the account with the account name, the currency that you choose, and of course the page that you associate with the account. So in this ad account, we choose the currency USD. You go ahead and choose whichever is available that you can select or you want. You can actually select any of these. It is not necessary that you select that currency in which country you reside. And we have been managing various pages for various international companies, so we select our own because we've got credits for that. And then we'll come to this page. This is the page where we can create a campaign group in which there will be different campaigns containing the number of ads that we run. Because after creating the ad account, we are supposed to create a campaign rather than a campaign group, because campaign group would be having different campaigns. So we are supposed to run a campaign right now. And that is why we'll choose the type of campaign, which is accelerate campaign group rather than create a custom campaign. This will allow us to leverage AI while creating the campaign. Here you can see that we can group our campaigns by our objectives, project, the location, or the budgets. For this campaign, we are going to select the objective being a landing page, meaning that we'll get traffic for our website. So now we'll actually set up the campaign. The status is not delivering because we've not actually set it up. You may skip this part because this is we setting up our campaign. You will name it what you want. So we'll put it in here, digital sales and marketing, because this is the best service that we have to offer. We are specialists of it, and that means that we do it more efficiently than anyone else. Paste the link over here, and then let's move on to creating the campaign. So here you go. Within an instant, AI will give us the entire description of the campaign. You need to be careful while using AI. It always gets technical when you are not attentive, because AI augments human capacities and capabilities. It does not, at least as of now, replace human effort into the tasks. So you can see over here that it only took one aspect of our website, which is guiding startups for their strategy of business and how to raise funds. So we'll actually downgrade it. We say that we do not like it. We can give any of the following reasons, but what we do is the easiest step. We come back, we go to the specific page of AI consultation, where we talk about how we use and guide AI for our clients so that they can leverage it for themselves. Meaning that they get proper AI consultation on how to use AI for their specific objectives and targets. So when we paste that link over here, the AI with Microsoft generates a much more concise and accurate description of what we are looking for, because it goes onto the website and studies it and then offers us this description. Here you can see that we are providing expert AI consultation services to empower entrepreneurs, where solutions of automating tasks, improving customer experience are one of the best services that they're out there. And we will give it a thumbs up. So clicking the create campaign button will automatically do most of our work. Here you can see that AI is preparing the campaign for us. The AI tells us what has been done and what will be done in the next steps, so that we can do it easily. Campaign details, the budget, and everything. We will set up our budget now. Since we have been provided $100, we'll set it up for the lifetime budget of $100, and then we'll have to set up the start date. Obviously, it will start tomorrow because almost half of today has passed. And we'll set it for a 5-day campaign. This will allow us to distribute budget over 6 days, so that each day can have about $17 or $16 of a spend and which is an optimal amount for this sort of a campaign, a lander campaign in United States. Here are forecasted results. You can see down below that these are forecasted results, meaning that these are only directional estimates and not guaranteed results. So we will skip all of these metrics right now because, once again, these are just estimates. Here is at a cost cap per result. We will not do this because this is a little tricky, for at least for those who are new to LinkedIn ads. So we just want to tell you that you can read by yourself that what is actually here, meaning that you can set your budget. Optimizing goals means that we are going to get landing page clicks. Self-explanatory. By default, this is aligned with your campaign objectives. So LinkedIn offers little bits of help along the way while you're setting your campaign. Apply and come to the creation of ads. Here we can ask assistance for audience selection. Now we'll go to the location that we'll select, which is the United States. Remember, if you set the language of your campaign other than English, that won't produce as good of results as it will produce in English, because those countries that get the ads run in other languages are not very trackable by the LinkedIn algorithm. So these are audience signals that we are setting up, signals about your audience, and we'll find similar members optimized to meet your campaign objectives. And after setting up the budget, our audience have been set up. Here we can select the page where our content is already posted so that we can select one of those. And you can see up here that content type is selected articles. So we have posted various articles in the previous days and we will select one of those. We come here and select this image because it has most of the text that we want to promote our company with. You can see over here the hashtags, the relevant links, which links to our website, and the image is also designed by AI. We have a generative AI engine, which we can tell you about in other videos, or you can contact us to get the consultancy for. Just a small preview of the ad that we're going to run. Here is our website's link. This word is wanting your attention. Keep in mind this word for the upcoming minute and we'll tell you how we are supposed to remove this word, otherwise the ad won't run. These are very small intricacies that digital marketing and sales requires. Not everyone knows this. We've got experience, so we are telling you this. We select other ads that we want to run with it. Remember to check how these will look in other feeds as well, for example, mobile feed. So it has the hashtags that actually define us, which is marketing and management consulting. You need to optimize your ads according to your content and your objectives. You may even select other types of ads, for example, text ads. We won't particularly be going for that because that is not our objective to sponsor a text ad. Right now, we can go ahead and actually create the ad. So this is what we meant, that this ad may not comply with LinkedIn's advertising policies. Why? Because of the word LinkedIn in it. LinkedIn basically is telling us that you cannot use the trademark LinkedIn to advertise your own services, so that it may not sound that we are an affiliate of LinkedIn. So we will remove all of those words and we will bring the description in the prescribed word limit, which is 600 characters. Microsoft has actually integrated AI into the LinkedIn ad creation, where they are providing generative AI services to create the images to be used in the ads. We are not going to use this feature right now because this tutorial is getting a bit long and we need to optimize time. So let's skip it and use the old images already provided to us. This is an option that you must play around with, and we can show you the images that it created for us off of this tutorial. So rather than going into the image creation part with AI, we will actually use the partnership of Shutterstock with LinkedIn, which provides us free 10 images every month to be used in our campaign. So let's search in the Shutterstock library about digital marketing AI, and these are the options that we get. For this tutorial, we are going to make it short and select this one because this is good enough for now. So this will be added to our library over here, and here it tells us that you got 9 more images remaining. So from our media library, we will select this image, and it has been added to our ad as the image that will be shown. We've set up the ad name, the introductory text. You can see it on the right side. Now we'll move on to the headline. Use AI to draft it. Once again, it will give us a couple of options, and we can select the one that we like. So boost sales with AI solution, boost profit with AI solution. So we'll choose this one because AI can also cut costs and optimize the overall value chain rather than just generating sales. So rather than focusing on sales, we will be focusing on profits with AI solutions. This is optional, which means that it can be shown to some and not to others. So we will skip it. But for your knowledge, we need to tell you that this is another option as well, which will help the LinkedIn algorithm classify our ads for the relevant people. Over here, we have set up the destination where the landings will come to, which is the home page of our website. This is a very important point as well. We need to give a CTA, whether we want impressions, engagements, or traffic diversions from our campaign. So we will select the call to action to be request demo. You can go on our LinkedIn page or our website and get a free demo of our services. The ad name, we put these earlier, so we can select marketing and sales services. This is just another ad that we're creating just to tell you so that you can get into the flow, and it will become a second nature for you to set up ads after this tutorial. So since this is a post about our research and analysis services with the help of AI, so we'll add a different headline. The introductory text is taken from the post. The headline will grab the attention of the viewers. So here we write, learn how our research and analysis will use AI to do yours, meaning your research analysis, what you need to do, how you need to do, why you need to leave what you were doing previously and focus on the things that will actually generate value for you and your customers. Let's upload an image that we've created earlier with the help of AI. So this image has our branding, so we prefer this image over any image created with Microsoft's AI imbued in LinkedIn advertising. Once again, we can add the link of that page from our website, which offers the research and development services with the help of AI. We need to edit the introductory text for it to be under 600 characters so that we can move to the next step. This ad is an example of an image being promoted or sponsored over LinkedIn ads. You know the rest of the steps over here, so let's move to the next step. After putting in the destination URL, we move on to the third ad and repeat all of the same steps. We select our CTA. Let's select learn more this time and move to actually setting up the campaign. So here you can see that the campaign is ready. Review the campaign, set it up for 7 days because our budget will be exhausted in 6 days, and move on to save and continue. Before launching, ensure that you have checked all of the parameters like the forecasted results, the budget, the ad types, the conversion tracking, and everything. Here it is asking us to put in the business information because this is a new ad account. This is not a campaign in an ad account. and we've filled all of that. Obviously, we will skip entering of the information of the card. From here, you can copy your coupon code and put in so that once you apply the card, they provide you $100. We'll show you how to create a new ad. This is the ad category where you put in the ad name, put in whatever you want the consumer or the viewer to actually know about, that this is the service that we are providing or whatever that you're selling. We put in a customized introductory text which will appear on the right side, as you can see. Simple. Sales services that generate profits. Because we have experience of more than about 7 years in sales and marketing, especially online sales and marketing. So from B2B to B2C and from products to services, we have serviced all sorts of companies. The headline would appear right above your website's link, and you can put in a tagline, a hook that you would call. You know the AIDA framework, AIDA. So it is to grab the attention and interest. You grab the attention from your introductory text and interest from the headline. So we can select an image from whatever images that we have designed earlier. From here, so we upload that image which represents that AI is making money. Here you can see AI is earning gold for the owner, and we have uploaded it. We can also use other images as shown earlier. So as told that it asks to create more ads, but we are not going to create the entire set of 5 ads. For this tutorial, we'll go with the number of ads that we've already shown you, because obviously we need to keep it concise. This is how AI will create the entire campaign for you. Again, you can come over to linkedin.com/campaign manager and check whether your campaign is running or not. Here is our Accelerate campaign group. You can see it is active, where $6.2 have already been spent and it is giving results.